One of the oldest and well-recognized cocktails is the Old Fashioned. There are hundreds of different ways you can make it, and that's one of the things that makes this cocktail so much fun, is the creativity you can have with just a few ingredients. So what is an Old Fashioned? It's a mixture of whiskey with muddled sugar, bitters, and water. You can use simple syrup instead of sugar. All right, let's get started. Today we are going to use sugar. You're going to use a few dashes of Angostura bitters. Now, if you are using sugar instead of simple syrup, you will need a little bit of water in there to help dissolve the sugar. All right. So traditionally it does call for Angostura bitters, but there's so many different bitters out there from orange to grapefruit that you can really experiment and see how the bitters change the flavor profile of this cocktail. It does take a little bit of stirring, but it's well worth it, I promise. All right. Next, you want to add your ice cube. You can utilize a large ice cube like I am, or you can use crushed ice, whatever you have available. Next, you want to add your whiskey. It's 2.25 ounces is what I'm using. You can use whatever whiskey you want. I am using rye because that is probably most likely the whiskey that was used whenever this old-fashioned cocktail was created in the early 1800s. Next, you want to stir that up a little bit, just kind of get that mixed a little bit. There we go. Traditionally, it was garnished with a lemon peel. Nowadays, most everybody uses an orange peel, and that's what I'm going to do. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. And that is how you make an Old Fashioned. For more cocktails and other whiskey information, you can check out our website at txwhiskeyfest.com. Till next time, cheers.